Question: will I have to go to court, or can we settle outside of court? Whether or not a personal injury case settles outside of court depends on several factors. One thing to keep in mind is that some people would rather settle their cases sooner, even if it means accept less money, than pursue a case that would take longer but could ultimately be worth more money further on down the road. In general, whether or not a case settles outside of court depends on a number of different factors. Frequently, lawsuits do have to be filed on cases, but even then, a case might still be settled outside of court. These all depend on a case by case basis, and I always tell my client if you don't want to go to court, you can accept whatever the offer is before that decision is made. And I similarly tell them that if you don't like the offer, if you're not satisfied with the offer, then proceeding with filing a lawsuit is an option. Very frequently, filing a lawsuit brings with it tremendous benefits to somebody who is claiming an injury. For example, once you file a lawsuit, you can be sure that the insurance company is going to have to hire an attorney to represent the at-fault party. And you might think that that's a bad thing, but frequently this can actually be a good thing. So what do you do if the insurance company offers you some sort of settlement? So let's say you were involved in an accident and the insurance company calls you and they want to give you some money, and you're thinking, oh, okay, well, look, they want to give me a couple $1,000 and they're going to fix my car. Okay, cool. And you're not the kind of person that wants to deal with attorneys and you don't want to sue or anything like that. So when the insurance company offers you money, or if they offer you money, if you have still not consulted with my office, for instance, you should really consider getting a fast and free consultation with a personal injury attorney such as me, because in my office, at least, if you called me and you explained that you had an offer like that, we can sort of go over it and you could explain to me what you're going through and the facts as you understand it. And we can sort of just talk it out. And if it really is a good idea, and if my legal services wouldn't appear to be any help to you, or you don't want them, then no hard feelings. However, if the insurance company offers you some money, remember, don't rush to accept it. Call my office to get a fast and free consultation, and together we can go over the factors that I would want you to consider when they offer you money. Does it cover all of your medical expenses? Is this how much you get in your pocket, or are they going to have to pay your insurance company or some other, like a Medi-Cal or some other commercial payer? Will there be subrogation? What happens to your car? Do you have future medical needs? How fast are you going to pay it? Are you going to have to pay taxes on it? There's all sorts of questions that you can have. And how much is available? What is my case worth? Can I be seen by doctors? I mean, these are all things that you're going to have to know. And what you would not want to do is close something that can be very significant for an insignificant amount of money because you didn't have the knowledge. So just call my office. You'll get a fast and free consultation and you just take it from there.